Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with TRON at number 1, followed by Shiba Inu, AVAX, Link, Dot, BCH, Near, Uni, and then we'll end it with MATIC at number 19. Let's get straight into it. TRON against BTC. So TRON is under the skinny pink line. The question we want to ask is, will these lows hold or will the wheels drop down to sweep these lows? Again, nothing much for us to work with for TRON. Against USD, TRON is just leaning right on top of the skinny pink line. Once we break it, that's it. We're expecting a bearish trend to continue. If not, to be honest, TRON could still go higher, but it all depends upon BTC. Shiba Inu, SHIB against USDT. Here we are for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is down, yes sir. And Shiba Inu, we have a target over here, 1530. We're at 1753. This was a rising channel that we broke down from. Preceding trend, bearish. Subsequent trend, bearish. You can also see that there is a support line over here. Double mountains, triple, pump down. Again, mountains, pump down. We're at 1530. Yeah, that's the target, 1530. But the fear is that once we touch the skinny pink line, we may be making preparations to hit even lower under the skinny pink line. So of course, the best case scenario is we stay above the skinny pink line and we don't touch it at all, right? The best case scenario, best bullish case is we don't touch 1530. We just rally up from here. Best case scenario, will it happen? We're not too sure. We are not too sure. So yeah, the all-time high is here at 8843. We only rose to 46. Now we're at 17. So I'm like, hey, bro, still a long way to go though. So if the bullish trend continues for BTC and crypto as a whole, we're probably going to be doing this eventually. But I don't see a setup yet, so be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Shiba Inu. AVAX, what's up, Goon Syra, AVAX against BTC. We are under the skinny pink line. That's very bad. That is very bad. And for AVAX against BTC, you can see mountains. Mountains here, a big mountain here, a medium mountain in the making. Mountains. We could be breaking even lower for AVAX against BTC. So yeah, yep. Broke above the skinny pink line, but it was unsustainable. Against USD, AVAX is already under the skinny pink line, and we have hit the target at $23.80. Ta-da! So here we go. Yeah, but we're under the skinny pink line, and that is bad. That's bearish. So even if we were to rally, I don't expect us to truly break back. We could, but I would expect the skinny pink line to act as a resistance. So even if you would drop lower, hit the noisy area over here, and have a strong rally, I suspect this could be a bearish continuation for AVAX towards the downside. So yeah, AVAX is just not really looking that good at the moment. Link, okay, Link is also not really looking that good. If you look at Chainlink against BTC, oh my god, mountains. Not just that, even here itself, you can see mountains potentially being built, right? Sure, we could rally back up. And Link BTC actually does look like it is curving back up, right? But of course, you could still hit lower. So yeah, there's just nothing much for us to work with for Chainlink at this point of time. Against USD, we are already under the skinny pink line, sadly. And you can just cut across the wicks. And this looks to you, this will look to us like a mountain range. Mountain ranges break lower, right? Sure, we could rally, maybe all the way back up to the top here. Sure, consolidate, continue higher. But as it stands, every time we rally, we get pulled down. Rally, pull down, rally, pull down, rally, get pulled down again. Rally, what do you think is going to happen next? Potentially the same thing being pulled down as well. So the selling pressure is there for Chainlink. I don't see the bullishness in this chart pattern. This is pretty bearish to me. So I would preach caution for Chainlink. Polkadot, what's up, Kevin? Dot against BTC. Are we done? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already 5 ways down. And you can also count 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I suspect we could be reversing soon though for Polkadot. But we're very bearish. So I think it's safer to wait for a proper reversal, bullish reversal first. Maybe we get something like this. Then we start reversing. But yeah, nope. We're going to wait for it to appear first. Dot against USD. We are already under the skinny pink line. This is bad. We had a target over here at $5.20, and we are still loyal to our target at $5.20. We're probably going to be breaching $5 though. So if we were to breach $5, we'll probably be sweeping all the classes of cells here. Bam! We drop lower. That's my take for DOT. It's looking pretty weak. Right, this was such a beautiful move, but we couldn't stay above it. Right, we got slapped back down. Look at this big cell. Yeah, we got slapped back down to the skinny pink line, and this is already a warning. The moment you touch the skinny pink line, warning, it's a get out rally. Right, you could have gotten out here if you were trapped. So, but anyway, it's really bearish. So that's Polkadot for you. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. We are again under the skinny pink line. Not really looking that good. Sadly, we couldn't stay above it. We went above the skinny pink line, couldn't maintain being above it, came back down, came back up, came back down. We could be consolidating here though for a move higher. But until that happens, yeah, nope. We are gonna wait for it to appear first. Bitcoin Cash against USD, still clearly above the skinny pink line, still in a bullish trend. There are some targets here that has already been hit. We've already swept the lows over here. So could we be reversing? Sure. But if we touch the skinny pink line, that is bad. That is very bad. So the end could be near for Bitcoin Cash, right? Although the all-time high is at 1,006 though, we could still hit much higher, but we still need to see the consolidation first. So yeah, that's just Bitcoin Cash for you. Near against BTC. The BTC pair has touched the skinny pink line, but there's a strong rally coming on. So I'm like, but it's a higher high. It makes you think. At the same time, this could be a head and shoulders. You see the scariness. If I were to be in near BTC and there's a rally that came after hitting the skinny pink line, yeah, I'll consider this as a get out rally. I mean, sure, if you go higher, consolidate, you know, for another springboard towards the upside, sure. But as it stands, I preach caution for near BTC against USD. Near still has potential, right? Near again needs to go up all the way here, consolidate, pump. A, B, C, D, E, out. But at the same time, we could also be heading back lower. This could be a descending triangle in the making. Pump, falling back under the skinny pink line. We're still above it though, so the bullish momentum is still on for near. So I would still expect more upside for near at this point of time. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for near. Uniswap, Uni against BTC. Here we are for Uni. We are attempting to break the skinny pink line, but we're still in a bearish trend, largely under the skinny pink line. So the question we always ask is when will we start breaking back higher? Uniswap against USD. Here we are. Uniswap USD is still above the skinny pink line. Yes, we did touch the skinny pink line. We rose, and then there was an even bigger rally that came on. But the question we always ask is this sustainable? Will we go to the highs over here, the local highs? Swing highs here at $17. We're at $9.47 though. So there's still a lot more to go. Even this in itself is really bearish, right? Higher highs. Marginally. Higher high, higher high. So yeah, and you can see that there's a clear support line over here. Not good, broskis. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We could be heading lower. So at this point of time, I would preach caution about Uniswap. Yes, we still have our $25 target. Technically, we're still kind of above the skinny pink line. So things could still resume bullish for Uniswap. But as it stands, yeah, it's a bit tricky though, Uniswap. In my opinion, Uniswap is, yeah, it's kind of tricky. MATIC against BTC. Here we are for MATIC. MATIC is, here we go. Target fresh out of the oven is 640. If you were to assume that this is the descending triangle of sorts, right? Mountains, another smaller one. Bam! Broke the support. 640 is about 30.58% away. We're already sub 1,000, so yeah, we're anticipating MATIC to head towards this noisy area. We're already at the top of the noisy area. 640 will be close to the bottom half of the noisy area over here. So again, we have no clear continuation, bearish continuation chart pattern. All we have is a skinny pink line. As long as we're under it, we remain with a bearish bias for MATIC BTC. MATIC against USD. We are, we've hit the target over here. We had a target over here at 54 cents. So, okay, I'm just going to draw a line here. 54 cents, yes sir. Could we be heading lower? Sure, of course we could. You can see that the clusters of cells over here. It's so vulnerable. Like China in your hands. So we could be getting, I don't know, a bearish chart pattern of sorts heading lower. There is a potential that we could sweep these lows as well. Sweep this low and sweep this low. Two lows to be swept, right? A lot of liquidity around here. So the whales might just do that, bam, before heading higher. But the fear is that if we were to head towards 41 cents, we may go too close to the bottom. And this could set MATIC up for a big descending triangle, right? And MATIC could be in a big collapse towards the downside. That's the danger. So we're not too sure if that's going to happen. So I would bridge caution about MATIC. MATIC's a bit scary. We were really hopeful over here. But the market tells us otherwise, right? Way back. Way back! Way back in January, right? This was such a beautiful ABCDE. You see this? ABCDE. Oh, we were so full of hope. But it is what it is, right? Not everything goes according to plan. So, yeah, we have to adjust accordingly. And this has just morphed into something else, right? The selling pressure is very strong on MATIC, right? Nice rally, but now we are all the way back down, right? Nice rally, all the way back down. Nice rally, all the way back down. So you can see that there are mountains here. Sure, if there's another stronger rally over here and things start, you know, constricting, right? The volatility starts dropping and potentially we could see another breakout. But as it stands, yeah, we're anticipating potentially a clear of these lows. So I would preach caution about rushing into a trade too soon for MATIC towards the upside. I can already count. You see, when this drop, right, you can count even this as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Even this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be a 1, 2. Doesn't look right, right? We're probably gonna drop it lower. 3, 4, 5. Again, I can't say for sure. I think there's still more downside for MATIC, so I would preach caution. I would preach caution. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.